Hello and welcome to the 2004 Irish Film and Television Awards.
Welcome to the Gaiety Theatre, the 5th Irish Film and Television Awards.
Hello and welcome to the 7th Irish Film and Television Awards.
Welcome to the 8th Irish Film and Television Awards.
Ireland is a unique culture and climate for the arts.
I think there's more of a sense of community, which is special.
Oh, Derek, or should I call you Mary Kathleen Collins?
How about that?
How about that?
It's so much fun to be here. Hello, Dublin.
It's really nice to be home here and support Irish film and homegrown talent. It's very important, actually, you know.
It's definitely exciting and just as thrilling to be nominated.
This is a way of introducing these new talented people to the world. I mean, at least to Ireland for now.
So proud of this. Amazing.
This is a staggering night.
And they asked me why I came to Ireland.
Not quite sure I fancy my chances, but it's really nice to be nominated.
I love Ireland. I've got a few friends here, so just felt like it would be nice to come.
No, it's a lovely feeling, you know. It's great. I hope it helps the film. And I hope it helps me too.
It's the time when things go bump in the night.
Hello everyone, thank you for having me here tonight.
Kate Mila Porsche Gollet. And the gift goes to Sarah Bolger.
I love being Princess Mary so much. I mean, who doesn't want to be a princess, right?
It is such a pleasure for me to be here tonight to present the AIB Best Irish Film Award.
Could we have a little respect in the hall, please? For Uachtaráin na hÉireann, President Mary McAleese.
Our true wealth is here in this room, in ideas, inspirations, in our talented storytellers.
Wow. That's lovely. I'm very happy to be here.
Please welcome the beautiful and multi-talented Joss Stone.
I am delighted to be here to acknowledge the great talent in this industry.
It is fantastic to have him back home. Please welcome Mr. Patrick Bergin.
Good evening, Accordia, Dina Usla.
And the best actor in television goes to Jonathan Rhys-Meyers.
Thank you.
Hi, everybody.
Eric Previous, ladies and gentlemen.
From drama to comedy, the best Irish movies of the year reflect a unique vision that engage at home and abroad. How's it all going, everyone?
When Neil Jordan made his first movie in 1982, it was a kind of miracle. There was no Irish film industry. This is Achievement Award Part 1.
Ladies and gentlemen, Neil Jordan.
It's a great honor for me to be here tonight to present the award for Best Film.
Rising Star Award goes to Michael Fassbender.
Well, thank you.
I'm going to put this down. It's very heavy.
And the winner is The Wind That Shakes the Barley.
Well, this is extraordinary and thank you.
Thank you for this.
The great Brendan Gleeson.
Thanks, Timmy. Last time I was talking to you, you were trying to stab me, I think.
You are officially my hero.
And the IFTA goes to Amy Huberman.
Good evening, everybody. I'm delighted to be presenting the award for Best Script.
TV's Battlestar Galactica. Yes, Mary MacDonald, ladies and gentlemen.
It is a deep, deep honor to be here. Thank you.
Thank you very much. Thank you. Good night.
JC himself, John Cleese.
Anagram of Pierce Brosnan. It's perfect.
No brains creep.
I shall carry the memory of this night, this beautiful sculpture, this beautiful award, in the company of all you amazing, talented men and women.
A leading man.
It's the sizzling Lara Flynn Boyle.
I am proud and lucky to be a part of this room.
Ladies and gentlemen, Mr. Jim Sheridan.
Should I say it? The best film is Hunger.
This award means more to me than any award that we've won.
The Lifetime Achievement Award goes to Maureen O'Hara.
I'll be going on home now. I'll have the supper ready for me.
Thank you very, very much. And I must say, I think you're all mad.